It's so funny. I follow him on Instagram. Yeah. So freaking crazy, dude. What's up, you guys?
Got it already?
We over here walking the trail now. Me tired. So more walking than I ever do in my life, I guess. This is pretty much just going uphill.
This is gonna be bad.
Oh yeah, you guys. Also, that car show was not planned to be there. We just happened to catch it as well. Whoa! I'm leading the pack, you guys. I don't know why, but let's get back to walking. You guys, I hear the waterfall coming up. This is a beautiful hike. Oh yeah, and also, I don't know if I mentioned it before, but we are hiking. We're hiking the trail to the waterfall as well. It's not even that bad. It's really fun. I'm not gonna lie. I'm not the one that usually walk and exercise like that, but I'm really crushing it right now. But you guys, I'm gonna get back to it and show y'all some more. You guys, I'm waiting for everybody else to catch up, but I don't know if the phone's picking it up, but you can definitely hear the water. Now it's right behind me. Sorry if it's bouncing around a lot. Left my holder in the car, but you guys, I think we got here. Hold on, you guys. Let me walk down these stairs. Whew, hold on. Fix the road. Oh man, you guys, I can't wait to show y'all this view. Oh, this thing looks so amazing. Oh. If you're in the North Carolina area, come here. It's a little good experience today. Well, you guys, let me show y'all the experience. Secret place on our hike.
Damn.
Yo, this is beautiful. And we high up.
Yeah, let's go.
On the way to the gourd. Alright, you guys, I'm not gonna lie. Getting down to this path is the most hardest yet because it's so uneven. But we're getting through it, you guys. Just a little bit more. I just wanted to show you how close we are to getting to this path. So let me get right. Nate over there, let me get right. I ain't gonna lie to you guys, I'm sweating. Nate over there chilling. This fucking path was a hard path to get up to, but it's worth it. The shit is worth it. Like, you can actually swim in the water. If we knew that, we should have just bought our swim trunk. It said you can swim.
It said no swimming. It said no swimming when you first started coming.
Oh, it said no swimming. I thought it said we could swim. Okay. Well, you guys, everything is great here. But you guys, I'm gonna just start getting y'all more clips of everything soon enough. Nate's over there at the edge. I got you.
How the fuck he get up there? Nah, he different. He different.
Hey, you guys, I'm not gonna lie. I ripped my pants just to get the fucking footage for y'all. I'm sweating. It ain't bad, but yeah, these pants done for. I just wanted to let y'all know this was for y'all. I do a lot of stuff for y'all. Nate over here laughing at me, bro.
Yeah, this is funny. He over here dying and shit.
I'm about to shake. Whew. All right, guys. We'll see you guys when we get back to the car and get some lunch. But peace. You guys, we are finally back home. We're building a fire. Well, Nate's building a fire. He got my gloves. He took my gloves.
Cause you wanna go do it, bitch?
How you know what I'll do?
You wanna go do that shit?
You don't know nothing. I gotta get out of these goddamn pants, man. But I ain't gonna lie, this your boy AK No Cap signing off again. Signing off again? Nah, just signing off. More to come. And we going on a secret trip. Well, we're going on a trip soon. Well, right after the cruise. So I'm gonna be over here dropping my videos, the recent videos I'm gonna be dropping. It's gonna show some hints to where we going. And right now, it's showing a hint right now where we going. Where we going to. So you'll get it. Y'all get it soon.